Hi, Professor Rodriguez. My name is Michelle Brown Osborne, and today is Sunday the 28th, and it's week 3's lab, which is dissection of the chicken wing. And we're doing this in order to discover the different synovial joints within the chicken. Synovial joints allow for movement and mobility, and the chicken wing has 3 of the 6 synovial joints, similar to the human body. So we have the shoulder, which is the ball and socket. We have the elbow, which is the hinge joint. And then we have the saddle joint and the wrist. So we have the upper arm, lower arm, forearm, and then we have the hand. So let's go ahead and cut into the wing. I'm first going to be removing the skin from the fascia, which is the connective tissue, and the fatty skin, you'll see it has a lot of that white adipose tissue. It's actually going better than I expected. Try not to cut into the muscle. Okay, so you can see that this, so I'm peeling away the skin and this kind of thin layer that's kind of sheer, that's the connective tissue, the fascia, and that holds the muscles within the skin. So I'm going to peel back all of these if possible. I'm glad I'm not a surgeon. And you'll start to see here this pink, these pink bundles, that's the muscle tissue. And there's some, you'll see the, almost like a blood vessel showing too, right in here. So, supposed to peel off the skin and reveal the muscles here. So that should do for now. So again, I have the ball and socket here. Can you zoom out a little bit? Thank you. So I have the ball and socket like the shoulder, and then I have the hinge, and the hinge joint allows for only one movement, which is the flexion and extension. The ball and socket joint in the shoulder, this here allows for a flexion, an extension and flexion. It also allows for a circular motion, just like in our shoulder, so circular motion. And it also allows for the abduction and adduction. So it has the most range of motion. So we have the muscles here visible, and then we're supposed to separate, what's the next part? So we're manipulating the muscles and the tendons to show the muscle movement. So I've seen on videos where, I think where you pull on the lower tendon or muscle here. I don't even know if I'm doing this quite properly. Maybe it's this one. So if I'm moving this muscle here, it moves the lower arm, the forearm of the chicken. So I'll take a photograph after that, and then we're going to cut away the muscles and tendons to show the elbow joints. So let's do that here. Oops, almost cutting my gloves actually. It's kind of scary. So something to look at is, I know I'm on a time crunch, but you can see the bone, and over the bone, if you see, there's that pearly substance there, and that's the tendon, and that connects the muscles to the bones. And in the shoulder joint, there's the articular cartilage, and what's really important about this is that it allows the bones to move, and it allows a smooth function between the bones. That way they can move and not have friction. So that is my week 3 lab, and thank you so much.